Welcome back to the shop, everybody.
Today we are going to be putting the bevels on this knife, so get ready for a lot of hand filing and hopefully some heat treating and tempering too. We are then going to take it and probably end the video because hand filing this is going to take a good while. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna try to make the next however many hours of hand filing as interesting as I possibly can. Hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Thank you for joining me today, everybody. I hope you all enjoyed this episode. We got our bevels done and we've got a pretty good edge on it. So tomorrow we are going to be doing the heat treating, tempering, finish the sanding, and we're gonna throw a handle on it too. So I'll have that all done for you guys on Saturday evening. And I hope you guys enjoy this next episode. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. And make sure to check out my other videos. After this Saturday, I'm going to be dropping the videos once a week, but I'll try to put out shorts a couple times a week, but not setting anything in stone. So I hope you all had a wonderful time enjoying this, and that's very repetitive, but I'm going to go drink some coffee now. So you all have a wonderful day. God bless.